Well, hello there. I'm the old Growler. Welcome to Meeting Expectations. What we do here is, in the afternoons around 2 or 3, I kick back, grab a can of beer, a bottle of beer, sometimes a wine or a spirit might drop by. We're all friends in fermentation. I take a look at the label, read everything on the label, take a look at the artwork, see what they're trying to sell me, crack it open and see if it meets expectations. And you're sure I'll rate it. 1, for just showing up. 3, meeting expectations. 5, it's an elixir of the gods. All right, what do we have here? Surprise, surprise, surprise. Bud Light. Yes, sir. Got some Bud Light here. A limited edition Bud Light. Probably because it has the New York Rangers label on it. Being here in Brooklyn, in close proximity to New York, we do have the Rangers. All right, it's a limited edition. An official beer sponsor of the New York Rangers. All right, we've got the New York Rangers there on the side, just in case you missed it. All right, it says, tapintoyourbeer.com. See bottom of can for freshest before date. It's got a barcode, a recycling symbol, a government warning that I should not be a pregnant woman operating heavy machinery. No problem. And it says, oh, it's got the calories and the all the health information on here, but it's all for 12 ounces, and this is not 12 ounces. So I'm not going to do the math. What am I expecting? Bud Light? It's like making love in a canoe, they say. So I'm going to crack it open and see if it's got anything at all. Okay, here we go. Oh yeah, $3.99 at the local beer emporium. All right, here we go. Boy, you can't get any clearer than that. It does have some color. It does have some color there. All right. It's got the carbonation. All right. Well, it looks like a Budweiser. Yeah, let's see what it tastes like. Cheers. Yeah, I took 2 sips. It's around 2:30 and my taste buds are on siesta. They have to be woke. Well, they're kind of woke. Let's see what their olfactory friends have to say. Whoa! Do I smell some hops? Yes, I do. Yes, I do. It's slightly vegetal. Not a floral hop, but a vegetal hop. You know, kind of a, if you've go to a grocery store and you're going down the salad aisle there. That's kind of the flavor that I get there. Let's see if the taste buds agree. Well, there's actually a little bit of grain flavor there. Not too toasted, very grainy. As if you took some fresh malt and just rubbed it in your fingers. All right, well. I tell you, I'm surprised. It's definitely got a 1, definitely got a 3. It met expectations. In fact, it exceeded it just slightly. I'm going to call this one a 4. If you enjoyed this presentation, please click on the subscribe button and the bell. That way you won't miss any of our presentations. A thumbs up would be great, share us with your friends, and a comment would be really appreciated. I'm Pete LaFrance, the old Growler, hoping all of your beers meet expectations.